Hey guys, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science. Got another video today, and we're going to be talking about FFIE, Faraday Future. This is one I have had on radar for quite some time, and to be honest, I didn't think that it was going to start moving so quickly. Still in 2024, I thought this was going to be a 2025 mover, and I will tell you why. So, looking at our ticker lookup page here in the PSDS Elite tool, and here we have the upcoming catalysts. So, we track all the upcoming catalysts for small caps in general. The best way to just show you the specific ones for FFIE is just by going to this ticker lookup page. But this, they started putting out news in November, actually, this PR here for Faraday Future announcing it'll do their ticker symbol change. And this is what got this on my radar. And, just to fully disclose, this is why I have a long position in the common shares as well as the some of the call options for January 24th, the $2 strike, and I'll get into that a little later. But this is what got on my radar. So the day that this PR came out, November 25th, I got the alerts for my upcoming Catalyst tool that, hey, we have some upcoming stuff for FFIE, and you can see that in the Catalyst tracker in the ticker lookup. And we'll go over to the Catalyst tracker a little later, but this is it basically. They put out this PR. They have some interesting stuff in here, and they had a few PRs after November 25th, talking about a couple other things, but this is what I'm really interested in, so we're just going to pull up this PR here. Okay, so they're going to change the stock ticker symbol to FFII, host their open day, just big catalyst here for, well, at least I think so, to do the symbol change, new strategy, blah, 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 blah. But FFIE, this is what I would consider a cult ticker. We've had some huge moves on it in the past, and it's something that just doesn't really go away. This is the kind of ticker where it's gotten so much interest, so much of a following, and like memeability, I guess is another word you could use. That something that as soon as we see some kind of interesting catalyst, something I'm interested in, where I'm like, okay, let me get long for some kind of run up into this event, or whatever it might be. And in this case, they haven't even announced the exact date yet, just that something in 2025, okay, this is something that's going to happen here. So we can go over to TradingView here and just take a quick look. So, I mean, we have the the recent activity here. It's already moved from like $1 to 314, and just over the past month, I started buying it early December. I think something around here. This dip down here, then we had this little move, and I was buying in this area. I was buying the common shares. I was buying the $2 strike calls. And if we go back even further, you can see like, hey, we had this huge move here in May 2024, and there have been other big moves in the past, not just here, but we have something here. It's got a big following, and that's really why I got interested. This is the kind of cult small cap ticker where you have something upcoming, you're going to want some, and you're going to want to see what interest it gets, and sometimes these just go on and on and on. And I pulled up the calls here just in Yahoo Finance, just not something I typically use to look at option data, but just something to easily show you guys on the video here. So I have the 2024, I have the 2 strike, and I think my average is something like 20 cents. I'm not even exactly sure, but moved up a lot today, and so sometimes the options on these small caps are even better than the common shares, because you can get just ridiculous percentage gains. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you guys on FFIE. I think that it's gonna be interesting to see how much interest it gets going into these catalysts. I know that they, in addition to this stock ticker symbol change and the the investor day and all that nonsense, just they put out some other stuff here. What was it? Some other stuff here just about. I think that some other releases of some products and stuff like that coming up in early January. But this is right here in the catalyst tracker. This is where we see all the different catalysts coming up for all different stocks. So stuff hits, and then you can just filter here by published day to see when it came out, what the actual date of the catalyst is going to be. So I can even just show you here FFIE, and we can just apply it here. Look at the published date. So they have stuff going back to October. Mentioning that the brand releases and all these things, and then we ended up getting this right here November 25th that they were going to be doing the ticker symbol change. And this is really what I'm interested in. This is what I think is getting other people interested. It could be the other stuff they've mentioned since then, but you know, open-ended catalyst with a ticker that's had a big cult following and a lot of moves in the past. This is definitely something that I'm interested in. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in this tool here, the PSDS Elite tool, you can check out the link on the YouTube channel for the Patreon page.